What's up, guys? Welcome to a new video. Today we are going to be going to the solar system with
Hi.
Yeah, his name is Hi. That is his name. Yeah. So now we can go to the solar system. So let's go. Follow my lead. I already hear spider. Where are you? Okay, let's go.
Right here. Oh, so scary.
This way, go to the... Careful.
Oh my gosh, I'm balding because it's so scary.
Alright, let's go. So, we have to go to like the second floor.
Second floor.
This is first. Oh my god, why is there a red spider?
Bro, where are you?
I'm in the mines. I have never seen a red spider.
Are you down there?
I am down here. Bro, where? Have you ever seen that red spider?
Are you all the way down?
Not all the way. I'm on the first floor.
Bro, use your arms, man.
Use my what?
You monkey.
Where are you? Where are you? I'm at the first floor. Did you see Spider? He was like red.
Where?
I think, where are you? Bro, where are you?
Where are you?
I'm at the first floor. Whatever you call it. Oh no, I'm just at like the top. Where are you? See? That's red spider. Did you see? Is that you? I gotta wait for Spider to cross. What the heck?
Mason, help, it's right there. Why is it red?
I have no idea. Should I try killing it?
Oh!
Kill it!
Could be a good.
Ah! Hiya! Watch out!
Oh my god.
Let's go.
Why was it red?
We need to hurry before it respawns. Follow me.
Wait.
Come on, hurry. Come on.
Okay, let's go.
I get the purple.
I get this one.
Yes, I got a research point. Okay, just keep going.
You monkey! Oh shoot. Oh yeah! Oh shoot.
RPG ammo, not bad. Take it.
You don't need that though.
Get it for Isaac.
I'm not bringing that.
I touched it. Let's go. Let's go.
Don't get that, yeah.
I played
Okay.
these games before. Get up! Bro, stop hitting me. Where's that spider?
Oopsie doo. So you take her right? I have to
I'm
go.
going the easier way.
Yeah, same. That's what I always do. Spider.
Where?
At least I think. I'm here.
Alright, wait for me. Okay, I'm here. Whoa! I'm falling! Bro, where am I going? Help me! Oh no, what's happening? I'm being dragged by the solar system. Okay, I'm good. I'm right here on the sun. Come on. Bro, you fill your bag with the purple ones. I'll get the green ones, okay? I get the green ones. You get the purple ones. Or do you want to get the green ones? Which one do you want to get?
I'll get the small.
Yeah, I'll get that make you move? Bro, I keep going back and forth. Do you not have a bag or something?
I do.
Try to make your bag full. Oh my god, bro. Bring me to the earth. No, bro. Why can I not do it? I don't know why I'm trying to swim. Reach for the sky. I cannot do it. Oh no.
Okay,
No, come back, come back.
Back to Earth.
Is your bag filled? Is your bag full?
I think, yeah.
Come on, come on, come on. I'm so close. I am so close. Bro.
Where you go?
Yeah.
Dude, I can't.
Come on, I can make it. I can make it. I can make it. Yippee.
I can't make it.
Filling this up.
I have to go now.
Hold up. Get the broccoli. Get the broccoli.
I already took all the small ones. Bye.
Wait, give me your bag then.
I can't get over there.
Yes, you can.
I'm trying.
I need your bag.
Try to get over here then.
No!
No.
Oh, don't mind if I do.
Wait, I'll go over there.
Goodbye, my only friend.
Wait, I could have seriously went to you.
I'm on the sun. I'm on the sun. Come to the
Okay.
sun. Gimme. Okay.
Bye bye.
Goodbye. Now we are going solo. Oh. Come on, I can make it. I can make it. I can make it. I can make it. Where am I going? I'm going back to the sun. Perfect. Oh my god, bad. It's because this bag is so heavy. Okay. I have more storage. Come on, yes, okay. I have to get two tiny ones, so. I need two. Wait, I forgot. Come on. No, 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 no. Okay, okay. Let's get the one that's right here. Okay, this is gonna be hard without a grappler. Oh no, 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 no. If I had his grappler, that would be great. But nope. You have to go to the sun. Do I die from that? Oh no, I grew. Well, that can be more helpful though. I could restart my game, but that's just the scaredy cat way. I mean, I can't reach over there though. restart my game. Perfect. Okay, well, why am I doing the T-pose? Okay, so let's restart my game. Since it was not working properly. Okay. The office. Okay, I don't think we got a full bag, but I'm pretty sure that these don't give you any money.
Who's the newest in the game?
Hi, Red.
I'm just kidding.
Me.
How long ago did you start?
I started one.
Okay, I have the bag. Let's put both of the bags down. Alright, so this is the one with the green broccoli, this one with the purple. So we have 2 small ones and 2 big ones. Let's try them. So these are the 2 small ones. These are 2 pretty small size. I am basically the size of my glow stick. And then my pickaxe is very big. The bad pig is just me. Okay, now let's try the 2 big ones. I don't think I got any bigger. Yeah, I need 2 more. Since I was already small. Big bag time! I'm pretty sure this makes your voice way deeper. Because one of my friends did it and oh boy, they had like a bunch of broccoli. They got a bag filled with a green broccoli and then they ate it and their voice was so deep. Is it? Is it not? Not hurt. No. Is it in here? It should be over here. Yeah. Mini broccoli and mega broccoli. Yeah. Okay. Well, that's gonna be the end of the video. Never mind. So this is gonna be the end of the video. Please like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.